Hello. Today I have this Poland battery for YATO cordless tools. So this is a 2 amp power 18 volts lithium battery. I'm planning to put that battery on the Parkside with this adapter. So yeah, let's go. It's working fine. This is those YATO tools. This is air pump, 18 volts, so it's basically Poland tools, probably made in China, but it looks quite decent. So yeah, this is it. In the next video I'm going to put this Parkside battery on these tools. So please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye.